In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable incognito mode in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, dock, or applications menu, depending on the device you are using. Wait for the browser window to fully load so you can clearly see the controls at the top right corner. Once Chrome is open, move your attention to the upper right area of the browser window. There, you will see the three-dot menu icon. This menu gives you access to many of Chrome's settings and browser options. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. After the menu appears, look for the option to open an incognito window. In many versions of Chrome, this will be labeled as New Incognito Window. Click that option. As soon as you do, Chrome will open a separate dark-themed window. That darker appearance helps you recognize that you are now browsing in incognito mode instead of a regular Chrome window. When the incognito window opens, you can start browsing normally. You can visit websites, search online, and sign in if needed. If you want to leave incognito mode later, simply close the incognito window. Once it is closed, that private session ends. That is all there is to it.